Hello, families, students, and teachers. My name is Catherine Amicio, and I am a part of the class of 2023. For many people, deciding what high school to go to is a difficult decision. But for me, it was a simple one. There have been a long line of Demicios that have graduated from Archbishop Murphy before me, 5 to be exact. My oldest brother Christopher started at AMHS in 2010 when I was about 4, so I became pretty familiar with this place before I got my chance to go to school here. I was at every extracurricular event that my siblings were involved in. Friday night football games, baseball games, mock trial competitions, art shows, and choir concerts, just to name a few. Needless to say, I spent a lot of my time on the Archbishop Murphy campus, and I fell in love with it. 13 years later, now a student myself, I'm still in love with it. Many things have changed around here since I first came to campus, but the amazing culture and community has stayed the same. I started my freshman year on Zoom, not really knowing anybody but my sister Elizabeth, who was a junior at the time. My only saving grace was that I made the step to attend the girls' soccer open fields. The minute I stepped onto that field, I was met with so many smiling, welcoming faces from my new teammates and coaches, and I immediately knew that this school was my home. A couple of months into my freshman year, we started in-person learning, and I got to meet many of my teachers and classmates for the first time. In doing so, I found a community that would help guide and support me through my next 4 years. Archbishop Murphy embraces the idea of Christ-like leadership. Our students, faculty, staff, and parents take on leadership roles, asking nothing in return. Throughout my years at AMHS, I've witnessed so many teachers go above and beyond, making it apparent that this is their mission. They will truly do whatever they can to help their students succeed. After long bus rides home from away games, our security guards on the night shift will often come help us to unload all the gear from the bus and talk to us about how the game went. Student leadership is especially evident in the student-led retreats. Every year, many upperclassmen at Archbishop Murphy spend weeks planning and preparing reflective and fun activities for student retreatants. Parents are very much a part of the day-to-day activities that occur on and off campus. They prepare and serve daily lunch, help organize and run fundraisers, volunteer to help teachers and staff, and support students in many ways, like handing out treats to students on exam days. The warmth of the community built here at Archbishop Murphy is apparent at every school day. Administration stands outside every morning to welcome students. The ladies at the front desk know everyone on a first-name basis. There are plenty of exceptional individuals who want the best for those who surround them. I've discovered lifelong friendships, adult mentors, supporting teammates, friends in faith, and personal qualities that will help me in my future. AMHS has given me the opportunity to grow as a person academically, spiritually, and intellectually, which will help lead me to success in my future. I am truly grateful and proud to be a Wildcat.